let's introduce our Monopolar RF. This is the machine body, the systems, and the handle pieces. There are three handle probe. This probe only for this cartridge is Monopolar RF. Only for this one, you can see the pin, the needle pins inside only for this cartridge. And this probe for these three small Monopolar RF. And you can see the pin inside is match the hole for these three cartridge. And this probe is for body, for the big area treatment for this 5 pieces cartridge. See, okay, and the machine installation. This is the emergency probe. During treatment, the patient can hold this probe. If she feel any uncomfortable, she can press this button to stop the treatment. And this is the cartridge for the electric pad during the Monopolar RF treatment. So you can put this electric pad under the body during the Monopolar RF treatment. And this three probe, 1, 2, 3, is connected into the same port. You can see the mark, and yes, when you need to take it off and replace the other probe, you need to press this button. You need to press this button to take it off. Okay, it's the same port for the other two handle probe. Okay, and this for Monopolar is probe in installation. Focus on this flat area and mark, and then press it. And if you want to replace the other cartridge, you just pull it. Okay. Now let's start the machine by press this button, connect the power cord, and then install the power cord, the probe you want to do the treatment, and then press this button. And you can see the screen, don't touch me, you do not touch it. And then enter the password interface will show up. You enter the password. In this machine, you can also modify the password by yourself. Now the password is 11161. Okay, and basic setting, advanced setting. Usually you use the basic setting, choose the language, and set the time. And after this advanced setting is for engineer use, so leave it alone and touch it. You go to the setting interface or the parameter setting interface, and you can set the treatment time. And for the power, when you press this start button, and then you can increase or decrease the setting. We suggest the power from the lowest 20 volt. This is Monopolar RF cartridge. Only this, for this machine, only this probe, this cartridge don't need this electric pad. And this electric pad is for the other Monopolar cartridge use. So you set the parameter from lowest And during treatment, you can keep asking, because it will need a couple to 1 to 2 minutes to let the heat come up. So you can wait for a minute and keep asking customer what does she feeling. If she can feel the radio frequency energy, if she can't, then you increase level by level. Okay. And when customer can feel the warm, the radio frequency energy. Okay, this is for Monopolar RF. Okay, 暂停. And this is for Monopolar RF. This a small size is for the face, for neck face treatment. So let's demo it on the hand to you. And you also same things before setting the watt. You need to set the treatment time 15 to 20 minutes. After you set the time, you press the stop button, and the energies you can adjust here, the temperature. Now the setting temperature is 37. The real temperature on the surface now is, so you can increase the temperature. Okay. It's same things. You can start from lowest and keep asking how does she feel, and do not touch. How does you feel the energy? 怎么样？有感觉？热的。She said she already feel warm, so you can increase a little bit or just basic on this energy to do the following treatment. And you need be careful. You need to combine this electric pad under the treatment area, because this is Monopolar RF. You need to combine this electric pad, and then you stop the treatment and take off the handle. And this deeper layer heating up the cartridge. Difference is different from this kind of cartridge. This is a surface, the heat, the energy stays on the surface, and this deeper, the energy is go deeper. The surface, you will feel not very obvious feeling on the surface, because the energy goes under the skin, the deeper layer. And you can focus the marks and this flat area and connect it. And press the button. Do not touch the screen until the password interface come up. Okay. This big size for body treatment. For the fat cellulite treatment, set 20 minutes. And then you also need to combine this electric pad, under the treatment area. And then you press this handpieces, and then press the stop button. And the heat will increase around 1 minute. And you need to surround to move the handle. Do not stay in a certain spot, because the heat will increase very quick. So you need to move the handle pieces and keep asking how does she feel. 怎么样？热的。She already can feel the warm and under the skin layer, because I just said before, this cartridge, the heat is under the skin is go deeper, so the surface heat is very the feeling is less feeling about the heat, because it's deeper, go deeper, you will feel it deeper. So if you cannot feel, then you can increase level 1 by level 1. Okay, until the time 20 minutes is used up, and the machine will stop. Okay.